And with number 7, I will alert you now that this one does have something kind of weird going on with the slope at the end, but we will make sense of that together. So suppose a mining company will supply 100,000 tons of ore per month if the price is 30 tons, but will supply 80,000 tons per month if the price is $25 per ton. We are going to assume this is linear and it's a supply function. We are going to write its equation. So as we've had in the past, we have 2 points. So 100,000 tons at $30. So 100,000 is our x value and 30 is our y value because money is always the y value. And 80,000 tons if the price is $25 per ton. So as usual, x1, y1, x2, y2. We do have 2 points, so we do need point slope form, which requires a slope. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And we are going to have 25 minus 30 over 80,000 minus 100,000. And giving that to Wolfram is going to produce 25 minus 30 over 80,000 minus 100,000. And we get a weird, what appears to be a weird slope of 1 over 4,000. And we are going to leave that as a fraction for now. I will explain the meaning of that in a moment. And don't freak out. You're not going to have one like this on the real exam that puts you in a weird spot with the slope like that. So we were asked to write the equation. And so we get y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, which puts us at y minus y1 is 30 is equal to 1 over 4,000 times x minus 100,000. So back to Wolfram with that one. We want the alternate form that we prefer. Equal to 1 over 4,000 times x minus 100,000. We get an alternate form that looks like this. Again, I am going to change that to be 1 over 4,000 x. So we've got y equals 1 over 4,000 x plus 5. Okay, so there is our equation. That was for part A. Part B, we're asked to identify the slope and interpret its meaning. So the slope is 1 over 4,000. Now, if you remember, the y value, which is on top, is money. And the x value here is tons of coal. So when we interpret this, we need to remember that, we need to understand that this is positive. So this is saying that for every $1 increase in price, the company will supply 4,000 more tons of ore. That is not saying for every dollar they will produce 1,000 tons of ore. That's saying for every dollar increase. And so if we go, for instance, from the 100, we start with the 100,000 tons at a price of 30. If the price went up to $31 per ton, the company would produce 104,000 tons of ore. So this follows the price. So as the price goes up by $1, 4,000 tons more will be provided. As the price goes down by $1, 4,000 tons less will be provided. And so that's kind of the wacky of this one. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have an awesome day.